BronxNet Television partnered with the Bronx Chamber of Commerce for a media training workshop for business leaders looking to raise their visibility in a post-COVID economy.
This is a very important couple of months, so making sure they're getting back on their feet, and then also making sure the community is aware of the new businesses that are coming into the area over the next couple of months.
He's the newly appointed executive director of the 161st Street Business Improvement District, working to see around 100 small businesses bordering Yankee Stadium get the resources they need to recover. Part of that vision for Trey Jenkins is participating here.
For me personally, it gets me practice to do interviews and talk to the media. It seems that's going to be more and more on my plate, being that we're by Yankee Stadium.
What we do at BronxNet is community development through media. And we're so proud to partner with the Bronx Chamber of Commerce and Lisa Sorin and the Bronx business community.
Bronx Talks' Gary Axelbank spoke to participants about the focus they need to have when it comes to getting their products and services out. Raven Major, owner of the Cleaning Lady NYC LLC, was among those in the group.
Just to build awareness and just to let people know about this business, and that's it, and spread excellence. Why not?
Especially now as communities and businesses prepare to come back.
My company specializes in deep cleaning and maintenance cleaning for homes and offices.
And already a mecca for tourists, the Woodlawn Cemetery and Conservancy is already a major draw for tourists. Director of Marketing and Media Relations Barbara Selesky shared why she's here.
It's so important because we have so many opportunities. We're called upon to have interviews, we're on Zoom calls, and all of that all put together. I think it's important to be able to portray ourselves in a professional way and learn some tips here today.
I'm owner and operator of Forever 100 Hair Collection, which is an online store, and we sell hair extensions, wigs, lashes, and accessories.
And Catina Sims is owner of Forever 100 Hair Co. She's there also to get some tips.
In the time of post-COVID, the idea is tell your story as quickly and as efficiently as possible. We're going to help you get there so that people pay attention.
And president of the Bronx Chamber of Commerce, Lisa Sorin, shared she's also working to prepare the Bronx workforce, accepting and training teens participating in the summer youth employment program.
These are our future business people, our future leaders, our future. And technology has sort of kind of taken that away. Yet technology is what we're using today to communicate. But at the same time, I think it's really, really important for us to prepare the next generation.
BronxNet also prepared to work with educators and the business community to accomplish this.
We can customize something special for your students, for your professionals, for the public.
For more information on the workshops, you can go to bronxchamber.org. And for more on the media training, you can visit bronxnet.org. At the Hutchinson Metro Center, Arlene Mukoko for BronxNet.